Wakatun.
Where are you, mighty snake? You who in ancient days would devour 3 prisoners from the dungeon in the tower of Chateaubriand Castle. Where are you, mighty snake? The shepherdess saw you slither off with the tools from my workshop. I've come to banish you from this forest with help from my faithful sword. My hammer. My anvil. So it was you. Now, pay the price. Oh, no. I'm not leaving without what is rightfully mine. What are you afraid of? Oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. Aha, you have ears, but no hands to cover them with. And don't ever come back to this forest. Oh, I should have told it to carry the anvil back for me.